In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find fixer-uppers on Zillow. If you're on the hunt for a property that you can transform into your dream home, or perhaps an investment opportunity that could bring profitable returns, knowing how to effectively search for fixer-uppers is key. Let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. First, let's talk about the importance of using targeted keywords. When you open the Zillow website, you'll see a search bar right at the top of the home page. This is where the magic begins. In this search bar, you're going to enter specific terms like fixer-upper, needs work, TLC, or handyman special. These are keywords commonly used by sellers or real estate agents to signal that a property may need some repairs or renovations. Using these terms will help you identify listings that have the potential to become fixer-uppers. It's a little trick that can significantly streamline your search for the perfect project property. Now that you've got some results, let's move on to applying filters. This is where you can really start to narrow down your list to find exactly what you need. After you've run your initial keyword search, you'll see a variety of filter options on the Zillow platform. These filters are incredibly handy for refining your search and making sure you're not overwhelmed by too many irrelevant options. For instance, you can set a desired price range that fits your budget. This ensures you're only looking at properties that you can realistically consider. You can also specify the number of bedrooms you're looking for, along with other preferences that might be important to you. These could include lot size, year built, or even features like central air conditioning or a swimming pool. Another key filter is the home type filter. Here, you can select single-family homes to narrow your search further, or choose other categories that might be relevant to your needs, such as multifamily homes, condos, or townhouses. Selecting the right home type ensures that your search results are tailored to your specific preferences and planned usage for the property. Lastly, if you want to refine your search even further, Zillow offers a keywords filter option. This is where you can input those magic terms again, like fixer-upper or needs work, to make sure your results include only those listings that match your fixer-upper criteria. By strategically using all these filters and keywords, you can efficiently pinpoint properties that meet your needs, whether you're looking for a full renovation project or a house with just a few areas needing updates. So, there you have it. With just a few simple steps and smart use of Zillow's search and filter functions, you'll be well on your way to finding a fixer-upper that could become your dream home or a solid investment. Happy house hunting!